Another tweet don't land. My iPhone 13 Pro Max screen now has more than 15 multicolored lines. I went to Apple Store to ask if it can be fixed. They said it will cost me about 600k to change the screen. I don't get money to change them. You now fit help me.
I'm not gonna take it easy, you're my head.
Almost 600k. Now we go pay am.
Omo.
Oh, it can't be me, Shao. I'm the one using that.
Is it you? Is him now? Is him?
It can't be
I
me.
wish you got. Maybe you should start. If you start today now, if it's 2k every day
You
by
save.
like December 31st, you go see the money gather.
Maybe up
But
to like
unfortunately, by December 31st, it go don't become 1.2 million. So you
So
go
what will
save
you do?
throughout next year.
But if you pay Scrella, like how much like that?
13 Pro Max, 15k.
15k. Just 15k.
15k.
By the end of the year, even if it is at that time, Scrella will still pay for it. No
You
matter the
understand?
amount.
No matter the amount.
Scrella will pay for it.
No, and whether they beg people say me they no stress themselves, I never see.
I don't know.
Except
I don't know.
for this Lagos, I mean this
But
Nigeria.
wait, this person, 15 multicolored lines.
How you self talk do am?
Not one, not two, but
15.
1,000.
Ah, 15. From to the tune of 15.
I would have said don't do it again. But it's actually,
But you're already seeing the.
it's like, and it actually happens because it can actually happen to
It can happen to
anybody.
anybody. It
So-
may be you, it may be I, it may be someone
by my side.
Yebo. Don't let it be you. Download Scrella
And get
peace of mind.
protected.
Like you never have to worry about anything.
And so you go the younger.
Sit down like this.
I have Scrella. I have peace
Yeah.
of mind.
Just like me, you know.
Just like me too.
See you guys next time.
Just download Scrella.
Yeah, word.
Bye.